She's in this math class. Yeah, her math teacher. Because she has decided that she wants to fight her on doing her trailer. And says that she's lazy and she just doesn't want to do it. And all this stuff. She asked us all that. She asked me why
You have the what?
I do children work.
Hold your breath. Ready?
And all of a sudden she thinks
Don't let go.
I said, well,
Don't let go.
I'm like,
Okay, go.
you go talk to her.
I probably get. Did you still have hiccups?
A in every math class you've ever taken.
Oh yeah.
So